Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I'm going to be explaining to you about the attachments available for the Wagner HVLP paint sprayers. This is the wooden metal extra gravity fed spray attachment. It's suitable for the universal sprayer, wall sprayer and wooden metal sprayer. It is already connected to a Wagner machine. With this attachment you get two size pots, 150 and a 600 milliliter pot. This metal stand here is only for when it's not in use for resting on, but when it is in use it can fold back and click into position here. The general use of it is very similar to the normal wooden metal attachments. Your materials come out of the very centre, airflow top and bottom which comes out of the unit, and of course you can spray up and down. You can turn the nozzle and spray from left to right, or you can set the nozzle just in between to make a very narrow pass over of your materials coming out. And they'll project at round about 50 millimeters coming out here. If you have them set for spraying up and down or horizontally, they can come out on a pass over around about 150 to 200 millimeters wide. The trigger of course is here, and you have your material flow dial which you can wind right the way back, which restricts the trigger from opening up fully, which of course a lot less material will come out then. Or if you wind it all the way into the back of the trigger, that allows the trigger to be fully open, where then a lot more material is going to come out onto the surface. And it's designed for all wooden metal paints to include primer, undercoat, gloss, satin, wood preservatives, lacquers, varnishes, both water-based and oil-based. And it's ideal for small and medium-sized projects. With it being a gravity-fed system, it allows you to use the smallest amount of paint. Every bit of that is going to be getting used because of course the gravity will allow that liquid to come all the way down. Now, benefits of using this type of system is if you're doing crafting or very small detailed intricate work and you may need to get that nozzle really close, for instance, you know, like this, by not having the paint pot below you is giving you that extra couple inches difference where you can get closer to that item while spraying it, as opposed to having that in position. We do hope this video helped you better understand how Wagner spraying technology can really help you with your painting and decorating projects. And for more information, just check out the website wagner-group.com.